In the latest AP Computer Science A test, taken by a staggering 96,000 American students, an intriguing question involving Java-based 2D arrays left more than a third of participants, 34%, unable to provide the correct answer. Specifically, question number 4 challenged test takers to develop two methods for the class BoxOfCandy. One to relocate a candy object to the first row of a column and another to locate and retrieve a candy object of a specific flavor, simultaneously removing it from the box. Contemplating the challenge, discussions have emerged, questioning the validity of the question itself rather than attributing the issue to the student's abilities. A Twitter commenter pointed out that if such a significant percentage of students failed to secure any points, it signifies a flaw in the test question design. Notably, question number 4 spans an extensive 5 pages. Alternative approaches. In an attempt to shed light on the complexity of the problem, an Excel VBA solution has been proposed for comparison purposes, demonstrating its slightly less efficient nature compared to Java due to VBA functions' return behavior. Despite this difference, the VBA solution remains relatively concise, enabling easy testing of code and visualization of results using the two-dimensional Excel worksheet grid. Elusive answers and suggested resources. Curiously, AI-powered Bing declines to provide the answer to the question that perplexed over 32,000 APCSA exam takers, citing ethical reasons against sharing exam answers. However, it does hint at a suggested Java solution for question 4, which can be found in A+ Computer Science's 2023 APCSA exam review.